Welcome to my channel. English vocabulary words starting with E. Eager, strongly wanting to do or have something. Earnest, showing sincere and intense conviction. Echo, a sound that is reflected off a surface and heard again. Educate, to give intellectual, moral, or social instruction to someone. Effort, a vigorous or determined attempt. Effort, a vigorous or determined attempt. Elegant, pleasingly graceful and stylish in appearance or manner. Elevate, to raise to a higher position or level. Embarrass, to cause someone to feel awkward or ashamed. Emerge, to come into view or become apparent. Emphasize, to give special importance or prominence to something. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Empower, to give someone the authority or power to do something. Endeavor, an attempt to achieve a goal. Endure, to suffer something painful or difficult patiently. Enhance, to improve the quality, value, or extent of something. Enrich, to improve or enhance the quality or value of something. Enthusiasm, intense and eager enjoyment or interest. Envious, feeling or showing envy. Establish, to set up or create something on a firm or permanent basis. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, please.